If I order an extra large vegan pepperoni pizza from my local pizza place, it's gonna run me almost 35 bucks. Now I love their pizza, but I can't be paying that every single week to meet my pizza cravings. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an easy vegan pizza at home that's much cheaper and also a lot healthier. If you're new here, welcome. This is Vegan Petite. Go ahead and subscribe, but for now, let's get started. Our secret shortcut to make this super easy that you can put together on a weeknight is gonna be getting some good quality flatbreads. I found this pack of 3 at Sprouts. Be sure to check the ingredients and make sure that the flatbread you're getting is vegan. Next, you'll wanna soak 1 cup of raw cashews in some hot water while you prepare everything else. Now chop up half of an onion into thin slices or dices. Heat up a large non-stick skillet and add a splash of water. Then add your chopped onions. Now I have a package of sliced mushrooms that I have rinsed. Go ahead and add those too. Add a generous pinch of salt and cook down the mushrooms and onions until they are small and slightly caramelized. Now you might be wondering why I'm cooking these vegetables on the stove if the pizza is gonna get cooked in the oven anyways. And that's because cooking the onions and mushrooms ahead of time is going to reduce them, caramelize them, and bring out much better flavor in my opinion. Now karate chop some pepper. Hi-ya! Whoosh! Optional, you can add a little splash of balsamic vinegar to your veggies to make it a little more fancy, about a tablespoon. Now for the vegan cheese base, you're going to drain and rinse those soaked cashews and put them in the blender. Add half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of miso paste, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Bam! Optional, you can add some fresh basil or some basil paste. I found this one at Aldi. Now blend it all up. Now here is our creamy, gooey cashew mozzarella. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever the package instructions say on the flatbread. Now get your flatbreads onto baking sheets and divide the cashew cheese evenly among the 3 of them. We're doing cheese before the tomato sauce? Yes, we are. You are gonna just have to trust me on this one. The reason we do this is so you can get a really nice even spread of that cheesy base onto your flatbread instead of doing just dollops on top like you normally would. Now it's time to add our tomato sauce. This Victoria sauce is by far the best jarred brand that I've had. Not sponsored, but you could also use your own homemade if you want to. I'm gonna add 4 big tablespoons of sauce per flatbread, but this can of course vary depending on the size of your bread. Now we're gonna add our cooked veggies on top. Now for the cherry on top. Cherry tomatoes, that is. Cut the cherry tomatoes into small pieces and add them on top. Now put your pizzas in the oven. We're gonna cook them for 7 minutes and then switch them after 7 minutes, rotate the racks, cook them for an extra 5, so 12 minutes altogether. But the timing can depend on what kind of bread you have and how crispy you want your crust to be. I've been waiting for this. Oh yeah. That cheesy base is so good, and you can see it's evenly spread out across all the bites, which is great. Normally with vegan cashew cheese on pizza, you'll just do like dollops on top, but this make sure that you get that cheesy flavor all the way through. The veggies are nicely cooked through and the crust came out nice and crispy. Super easy to make, and that little hint of basil in the cheese, if you've got basil, that does come through too. If you want to jazz up your pizza even more, you can add a little sprinkle of my easy vegan Parmesan. I have the recipe on my channel that I will link for you. And of course, if you like a little heat, you can add some classic crushed red pepper flakes. Now this, I could eat every week and not get tired of it. Drop a like if you enjoyed this recipe. Also be sure to subscribe for more videos. Comment below, have you ever tried cooking your pizza toppings before? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.